guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm down in my family room that is not yet finished. It's quite a large room. It's 24 feet by 24 feet and it's an additional room, but just basically glorified storage up to this point. I'm looking to create a finished space in here to make it our new family room. One of the things that we wanted to do was really make sure that it was insulated well. This room has always been quite cold, just down to the concrete wall. So what we did was we had a company come in and do closed cell spray foam on the walls and all around the windows. And then we did open cell spray foam on the ceiling. And that is just to help soundproof. Open cell spray foam on its own is not a wonderful and perfect soundproof. We wanted to beef that up a little bit by adding Rockwool Safe and Sound bats of insulation coupled with the open cell spray foam to really make sure that we're getting the best soundproofing. I took a trip down to Home Hardware today at Penzance and I got some special gear that I'm going to need for doing the insulation. Last time I was dealing with insulation, it was really prickly on my skin if it wasn't protected, so I have this face shield and a really good mask for breathing. Obviously, I'm going to need some gloves, so I'm going to get started. So I partnered with Penzance Home Hardware on this project. We got some Rockwool Safe and Sound insulation that I'm going to be adding to the underside of the open cell spray foam to really make sure it's warm and quiet. And now I'm just going to get started. I got my mask on so I don't have to breathe in those fiberglass particles. And now I'm going to have my face shield to protect my eyes and face.
This is what I look like on the weekends.
The beginning of this job is a little daunting because of the spray foam. It's kind of making some sections a little difficult to put the insulation up to have it stay by itself. These two bats of insulation are fine in there because we kind of ripped a little bit of the foam down. That is going to be an incredibly hard chore. So I went back down to Penzance yesterday because I needed to pick up some string and some staples for my staple gun so I can do a zigzag pattern of string kind of holding up the bats of insulation along with an insulation knife. That's what I'm going to do, and we'll see how the zigzag pattern helps me. I understand this mask is hugely overkill for this job. You only really need a dust mask to do this. There. I got my loop and I'm going to staple gun and then I'm going to do a zigzag pattern. That's actually going to work really well. That was the easy part because those bats were sticking up there, but I'm going to do it slowly as I put each bat up. Okay, so I just got going with this little rhythm of zigzagging the mason cord back and forth across the I-beams, and it seems to be working really, really well. I'm quite happy with how it's going. So as you can see, The 16-inch on centers is good to go in there in terms of width, but because of the spray foam, it's kind of pushing it down and it's not allowing it to friction fit. So I've had to resort to using the orange cord to go back and forth to hold it up, and it actually went way faster than I thought. So that's exciting. I'm gonna keep going with the whole room, back and forth, back and forth. I'll show you my progress. Thank you so much for watching Handy Mandy Canada. Please like and subscribe and click that notification bell in the corner. Helps notify you when I make new videos.